So let's talk about the perception of local people. I mean, like, of course, their lives are at danger, is at risk. I mean, like, and there are some things that cannot be completely mitigated. But how do they view these animals? I mean, like, how do they think, like, the population of tigers shouldn't grow further, or they should be contained or transported off to other places?
Yeah, so I think that's a really interesting question and something that has made me kind of look at the differences between Nepal and where I'm from in the U.S., and it's starkly different. So overall, local people around these national parks are very positive about conserving these animals. There's a heavy, like, respect and national pride and understanding, again, that Nepal is one of the only places in the world that is home to Bengal tigers, or that is home to elephants, that is home to rhinos. Local people understand that. And there's also that religious and cultural value toward these animals. Like, elephants, the living embodiment of Ganesh. And then you have tigers who carry the goddess Durga. So there's that heavy respect. You wouldn't kill a god.
I never looked at it from that perspective. That is new. Yeah. That's how the local people view it.
Yes.
In a religious context as well. Elephant, I can understand, but then I never looked at, tigers as, from Durga perspective.
I hear a lot of that.
Oh, okay.
And I actually, so in one of the studies, I asked local people, like, what should we do with tigers that kill people? 99% of the time, they said just move it somewhere. But no one suggested killing these animals.
So do they kill the tigers elsewhere in other countries? What's the standard protocol like?
So I am unfamiliar with every range. There's 13 range countries. I know that in some cases, like, they killed a tiger just recently in India after it killed like 9 people.
I mean, like, to stop from what was happening at that moment, or like after it killed people as a punishment. It's one thing, you understand what I'm trying to say.
Yes. So in order to track a tiger that has killed someone or has killed livestock, it can take a few days. So it's hard to have, like, an immediate reaction to be able to mitigate. But if, like, this recent case where they were going out and tracking a tiger, they actually called the team from Nepal to help in India. They actually called a team from NTNC to help them catch this tiger because they couldn't catch it.
And then they just killed it?
Yes.
No.
Well, Nepalis didn't.
Okay. Yeah.
They helped them track the tiger, and then the Indian authorities killed it.
Does that make sense, actually? I mean, like, it's one thing when a tiger is on a killing spree and it's attacking a mass of people, and just to stop it, you kill the tiger. But once it's already killed a certain group of people, then track it down and kill it. I'm asking this because is this behavior repetitive for the tiger? I mean, like, if it kills 9 people, does that mean it's more likely to kill more people again? And to prevent that, you kill the tiger, or is it taken as a form of punishment for killing that 9 people? How does it work in?
Woof. I mean, I think you already know the answer to the first question. If a tiger has already killed 9 people, is it likely to kill a person again? Do we need 10 or 11 or 12 to know that? It is very, very, very strange for a tiger to attack a person. Yeah. It is extremely strange, abnormal behavior. So if it's happening
that makes
many
sense.
Times,
right?
This is now a behavioral pattern.
So what do you mean is, like, it killed 9 people on different occasions, not at once?
Not at once.
Okay, so that's what I was trying to understand. Okay.
And most of the time, like, there's a couple cases in Nepal where there was a tiger that attacked and killed a number of people in the same day. It was like...
The same tiger.
Right. And that was protecting... It had killed someone in the morning. And then there was a group of people that went on a picnic, and they passed that kill site. So kill sites are very dangerous places to be because that's what tigers are protecting. They're protecting their kill. And in that case, I think that tiger killed 5 people in one day.
Wow.
and they euthanize that animal.
In Nepal.
Yes. This was many years ago.
So what do they do with tigers who kill people in general? Like, what's the standard practice right now in Nepal?
There is no standard practice. There are protocols.
Okay, yeah.
But it's a case-by-case basis. There's investigations that are done, very careful investigations. Again, this is an endangered species.
Right.
This is a species that lots of people care about. It's very politicized. And so the investigation starts understanding, let's say, for example, a tiger kills a person. What were the circumstances around that? Was it an accident? Was it a person who came across like a kill site of a tiger where the tiger had like killed deer, had killed a natural prey, and person was just wrong place, wrong time? So they do these types of investigations to kind of see what happened. And then they decide from there. If they believe that this tiger is not likely to kill another person again, then they're not going to take it in. If they think that it is at risk, like we talked about before, it's an old tiger, it's an injured tiger, there's something wrong with it, it's sick, they will dart it, tranquilize it, and take it basically into like tiger custody until they decide what to do with it.
What's a tiger custody like?
So basically just like holding cells where they care for it, or the authorities wait to decide what to do with it.
So do you think like zoos are a viable option for that as well?
Zoos are doing it. There are... I can't talk about this.
Okay. All right.